Either you get on the MARTA train, go home, sober up, or you get arrested. We're trying not to arrest you. Let's take a walk.
What are you going to arrest me for? Huh?
Oh, beautiful. We've got one. A complimentary pass here for you, James. Fist bump. Fist bump. No, I'm not shaking your hands, James. Let's get on. Sir, enough of this babysitting. We have a complimentary MARTA pass here for you. You take it, you get on the MARTA train, you go home. Thank you.
Hey,
James, we're trying to get you home.
Hey, I'm going to go the f home wherever the f I want. Don't talk that.
This analysis focuses on the legal framework governing a public intoxication arrest at Hartsfield-Jackson Atlanta International Airport. The incident occurred on September 17, 2024. Rather than recounting events, this breakdown examines the statutes, precedents, and doctrines that determine whether the officer's conduct met constitutional and professional standards.
Back up. I mean, you got this guy, they say he was passed out, we woke him up. I mean, obviously, he in this state right here.
No, don't touch you. I don't like cooties.
Sir.
All right. Hey,
Sir.
I'm touching my hand.
Okay,
What
are you flying out, or are you, what are we doing? What are you doing here?
I'm touching his hand.
Sir, why are you here at the airport? Are you flying out?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what time is your flight?
It's 6:30 a.m.
What airline? AM, 6:30 a.m.? With what airline?
8:30 a.m.
8:30.
Pretty sure.
Okay.
Pretty sure.
Do you have,
I'd have to check in, but if you come right here.
do you have a boarding pass on you?
Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, come right here.
Do you have a boarding pass on you?
I'm pretty sure, dude.
Can I present it for me?
You sure can, dude. Hey. I appreciate you doing your job, man.
Yeah, you had a little bit too much to drink, sir.
No.
Yeah, yes.
No.
All right, that's your boarding pass?
Hey.
Is that your boarding pass?
No, it's not.
Well, where's your boarding pass? If you don't have a boarding pass, so I'm going to have to ask you to leave. So I'll take you down to the MARTA station.
Just wait.
Radio 3716.
That's part of my boarding pass.
Oh, that's part of it? Well, don't lose it.
Hey, can I talk to you?
No, there's nothing to talk about, sir.
Hey, all right, well.
Due to your condition, we can't talk.
Hey, well, in that case, this is a boarding pass.
14, show me coming up.
Alright?
Uh-huh.
This is a regulated boarding pass. Alright? Alright?
Okay.
It's unregulated. Alright?
Okay.
You can do whatever the f you want with it.
All right, let me take a look to see when you're leaving.
I don't listen. Hey, I don't care if you. All right, you get that?
No, this is not a boarding pass.
Hey, dude, it's a letter.
Yeah, you don't have a boarding pass. So James,
no shit.
Get your stuff together.
Hey.
And we're gonna take a walk down to the MARTA train station.
Hey, boarding pass.
Get your stuff together, please.
Hey, miss. Hey, I'm not.
Get your stuff. Get your stuff. Get your wallet.
Hey, I'm not trying to get on you or nothing. All right. Do you understand that right now?
Gather up your stuff so we can take a walk down to the MARTA station.
Field 3794.
Hey. Hey.
Sorry,
Actually, can you actually point it out?
Okay, yeah. That's your wallet?
Yeah.
That's the receipt?
Obviously, that's
the receipt
Yeah.
that you had in your wallet.
That's my.
All right.
Okay. No.
Grab your hat.
Hey.
No contact needs to be made.
Come on, man.
What, sir? Get your hat so we can go.
Obviously.
Get your. Yeah.
Obviously, that's receipt, man. Obviously, that's receipt, man.
Yeah. Let's go.
Dude.
Grab your hat.
Dude.
Come on, grab your hat. Your glasses.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
All right. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Yeah, yes, let's go.
Hey.
Your glasses, your glasses.
Hey. Hey.
CO 37, 17, 37, 16,
None of
checking
your
on you.
mothers?
Let's go, let's go. Come on.
All is good out here?
James.
Let's go, brother.
James, you're dealing with me. You're dealing with me. Come on, let's go.
Let's go with this thing.
Jesus Christ. None of your mothers take the chance.
You got some time to show the subject
Come on, James.
of MARTA via the South Corridor. I got the subject en route to MARTA via South Corridor.
Okay.
Say. No, don't touch me. Don't touch me. There'll be no contact. No contact needs to be made, James.
Hey.
That's all right. I get it.
Serious?
Yeah, oh, I'm extremely serious. No contact needs to be made. We're just walking toward. Please, pay attention, James.
Firm attention. And you want to pull that on me. Time attention. Are you serious right now, man? I don't like her. I feel. Are you serious?
James, come on.
No.
James.
You go on your own, people.
James, either you get on the MARTA train, go home, sober up, or you get arrested. We're trying not to arrest you. Let's take a
What are
walk.
you gonna arrest me for? Huh?
What do you think? Well, maybe you can't really think right now, so I'll tell you.
Oh no.
It'll be for disorderly conduct under the influence of alcohol. So let's take this walk.
No, come here, please. Hey.
We're almost there, James. Come on.
No. Hey. Hey, James.
Well, no, you're James.
James, come here.
Come on.
Hey. I'm easy.
All right, I need you to go ahead. I need you to go ahead and purchase a MARTA ticket so you can go home.
I'm easy to corner enough in the corner market. Okay.
Yeah. No contact is necessary.
Hey.
James, please.
Hey.
Maintain space, please.
Dude.
Take out your wallet.
Hey. You motherfucker.
Sir,
Come here.
look, here we go.
Come here.
Go buy a MARTA pass.
No.
Oh, beautiful. We've got one, a complimentary pass here for you, James. Fist bump. Fist bump. No, I'm not shaking your hands, James. Let's get on, sir. Enough of this babysitting. We have a complimentary MARTA pass here for you. You take it, you get on the MARTA train, you go home. Thank you.
I'm trying to make friends with you.
I don't need friends right now. I have plenty.
Whatever.
Here, James, here.
Hey.
Let's
You know what?
let's go.
Hey. Here.
Right here.
Take it. Hey.
Come on.
You want it?
I don't want it.
Then
James.
don't take it.
If you don't get on this train, you go to jail for your condition. We don't want that. Do you want that?
I don't want that.
Okay.
I want.
Get on the train. Have a good evening. Get on the train and have a good evening. Let's go, James.
Hey.
Okay, I accept your apology. I'll go with you. I'll go with you up top.
I want to be your friend.
Okay, I want to be your friend as well.
The controlling state provision is Georgia Code Section 161141, public drunkenness. The statute requires 3 elements. First, an intoxicated condition. Second, presence in a public place. Third, manifestation of that intoxication through boisterousness, indecent conduct, or vulgar, profane, loud, or unbecoming language. All 3 elements were established within the first 3 minutes of contact. Related provisions include Section 16, 11, 39, disorderly conduct, and Section 16, 10, 24, obstruction of a law enforcement officer. Together, these statutes provided multiple independent bases for probable cause. Constitutional analysis begins with the Fourth Amendment. Under Graham v. Connor, decided in 1989, the reasonableness of any seizure or use of force is judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer on the scene, considering the severity of the offense, the immediate threat posed, and any active resistance. Under Atwater v. City of Lago Vista, decided in 2001, a full custodial arrest for a minor offense supported by probable cause does not violate the Fourth Amendment. Under Cady versus Dombrowski, the community caretaking doctrine permits officers to act to protect both the public and the subject. Under Colorado versus Connelly, statements made by an intoxicated person remain admissible absent police coercion. Under City of Houston versus Hill, pure profane speech directed at officers is generally protected. However, Georgia's public drunkenness statute survives First Amendment review by requiring intoxication as an independent element.
We'll go up top.
I gotta go eat. Okay,
You can do that up top.
Yeah, they have a bathroom in here.
Alright, is that alright?
Up top.
They have a bathroom in here, upstairs.
No.
James.
It's this
Hey,
way. It's this
you-
way. It's
James.
this way.
Like,
Hey, James.
fucking like off.
James.
Hey,
James.
you don't fucking touch.
Let's go to the MARTA train.
Hey.
Use the
Alright,
bathroom
alright.
upstairs.
Hey, I'm gonna go to the fucking bathroom.
No, you're not. You're not going that way.
Tell me what the I'm gonna do, alright?
James.
Hey,
James, we're trying to get you home.
hey, I'm gonna go the home wherever the I want.
Don't talk that way.
Hey, you don't. Hey, you don't.
James. James. Stop.
Hey.
Stop.
Why the are you touching
James.
me right now?
James. No need for this.
Hey, what the are you touching me for?
I had a second.
Hey,
I got it.
All right.
hey, I'm just trying to get home right now, dude. Hey, hey.
Radio 3702.
Hey.
3702.
Hey, I'm just trying to get home right now. Hey, I'm not trying to get home to you guys right now.
James.
Hey,
Get your arms behind your back, James.
hey, no.
We can do it. Listen.
Hey,
Come on.
I'm not trying to get home to you guys.
Come on.
Hey,
Get your arm behind your back.
no, I'm not trying to get home to you guys.
James.
Hey,
Come on.
hey, I'm not trying to get home to you guys.
James. Put your arm behind your... James. Put your arm behind your back.
Alright,
Do it now.
hey,
Do it now.
hey, go
James.
yourself.
Okay.
Of the passenger.
Applying these authorities, probable cause attached approximately 3 minutes into contact. The officer's decision to delay arrest by more than 7 minutes in favor of voluntary alternatives exceeded any constitutional requirement. The force ultimately employed, soft empty hand control resulting in standard handcuffing, sits at the lowest tier of physical intervention on the use of force continuum. No strikes, no less lethal deployment, no impact weapons, no injuries. Under Graham's 3-factor test, the severity of the offense was low, but active resistance was present and a direct verbal threat had been issued. Force at this level was objectively reasonable by a substantial margin. The community caretaking doctrine independently justified the initial removal effort, entirely apart from the criminal statute.
Let me get another unit because we're trying to make this look pretty.
Hey, dude, you guys, you aren't even arresting me for anything.
There we are. Don't worry about it.
No, you're not. What are you arresting me
3716.
for?
Start another unit. We're inside
Hey.
the MARTA station.
Hey, what are you arresting me for?
I'm sorry, last unit realize?
716. Start another unit, please. We're right in front of the MARTA station inside.
Hey. Hey, what are you guys arresting me for?
You get that one. Let me hold this. Get the other one. No need for all this, James. Get your arm up.
Hey, I'm not arresting.
Radio to available unit in the freezer.
Yeah. Yeah, what are you arresting me for?
Stand up, James.
Yeah.
Let's go inside.
What are you arresting me for?
I'll explain.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
I got him. Yeah, James, come on.
Dude, let me fucking walk. Hey, let me
Okay, you're walking. Thank
let me
you.
walk.
All
Let
right.
me walk.
You're walking.
Alright. Dude, just let me walk, bro. Please.
Okay, you're walking.
Alright, let me
Come on.
walk. Let me walk. Alright, beside you. I don't care if there's fucking doors. I don't care if don't try me. Ow.
This way.
Jesus Christ.
We tried to get you to get on the train, James. All this could have been avoided.
Dude, I'm gonna break the arms. Thank you. Fucking wires.
Watch your head.
Dude, these motherfuckers. Yeah, those motherfuckers.
Grab the. Oh. Thank you, Diaz. Thank you, gentlemen.
All right.
You good?
Yeah, we're good. We made it all back to the
All right.
So what happened?
Drunken, disorderly. Tried to convince him to walk to MARTA. Got him there, but then he refused to. He wanted to leave and do his own thing
Copy that.
and go pee. I'm like, no. Giving him a MARTA card. Go upstairs, use the bathroom upstairs, and go home. No. F that. Let's go.
Okay, cool. You take that right there.
Let's go.
Well, you already know, like with him being that way.
Brady.
Oh, yeah. Hopefully you can talk him into having some sense.
Yeah, we'll see.
So
Clayton County will take. Clayton County will take him all day the way he is.
Oh, yeah?
Okay.
Now he's taking the preacher.
Grades. The primary officer earns an A-, sustained de-escalation, minimum force at arrest, and community caretaking well executed. Minor deduction for delayed articulation of the specific charge. The assisting officer earns a straight A for consistent verbal boundary setting and clean arrest support. The subject earns a D-. Every off-ramp offered was refused. Extensive profanity, unwanted contact after warnings, and a direct threat of violence against an officer converted a resolvable welfare check into a custodial arrest. The Atlanta Police Department earns an A-. The complimentary transit pass reflects a policy investment worth replicating in other jurisdictions. Key lessons. First, probable cause is a floor, not a ceiling. Constitutional authority to arrest does not require immediate arrest. Second, offering material alternatives, transit passes, transport home, measurably reduces custodial arrests without sacrificing officer safety. Third, verbal boundary setting is force. The phrase "no contact" needs to be made function as effective control throughout the encounter. Fourth, the Fifth Amendment right to remain silent is the most underused protection available to an intoxicated subject. Speaking during impaired states rarely improves legal outcomes and frequently forecloses them. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police court interactions.